Don't you love the convenience of online shopping? A product catches your eye, you add it to your shopping cart, and boom, it shows up at your door. You don't even have to leave your house to get exactly what you want when you want it. But have you ever wondered how it happens? Where your tech, toys, or even your groceries come from, and what it took to get those things from there to you? It turns out there's a whole industry working behind the scenes to make the world run. It's called material handling, and it's the industry of moving. But that's not all. It's every entity, product, and service that aids in the moving of a product through the supply chain. In order to make everything work, the supply chain needs every kind of person with all kinds of skills and talents. Can you imagine how many jobs are needed to make this process work? Let's trace the package's journey and see some of the amazing jobs from entry-level to lifelong careers, from different technologies and disciplines, from the shop floor to the boardroom, that made that delivery a reality.
It really interested me how it's everywhere because you need it to move stuff every day. It's almost like a secret because we don't understand how big it is.
The trend toward automation has moved the workforce more toward a higher skill set.
It's a different world that we work in now. You also have to be incredibly tech savvy.
It's different every day. You're learning something new every day. Logistics and supply chain management programs and those types of things, which I think is going to introduce young talent to the industry that wasn't able to before.
I really like being able to make things more efficient, and I think material handling, there's always ways to improve it and figure out how things work.
You get the picture. Thousands of people from every experience level and skill set may have worked on your order before it reached its destination. And every one of these segments needs talented individuals like you. Want to work on the global stage? Material handling and supply chain is what connects commerce around the world. Want to play with the latest technology and innovations? Material handling and supply chain is using it right now. Material handling and supply chain is the industry that's always growing because people will always need products. The industry needs qualified people now, and the need is only increasing. Material handling and supply chain is globally connected, future-facing, and looking to connect people with the goods they want as efficiently as possible. The range of careers is vast, and the opportunities to leverage your unique skill set are limited only by your imagination. Start your journey today. Check out our website and see if you're a candidate for material handling and supply chain.